Чүсөө гүнзгий ойлголтын үүднээс авч үзвэл дараах хөгжмийн бүтээл нь хоргүй, хууль ёсны урлагийн бүтээл гэж батлагдах болно. Үүнд ямар нэгэн хуулбарлалт байхгүй. Хүлээн авлаа. Анхааруул.
Hangmen also die. What a feast the intended strangulators hanker to judge, jury, and forensical experts. Lock them up remaining time to live. They will not lay hands on us, and by no law we ever have forfeited our life. This is our constant prayer and request to international services and offices of state, the illegal anti-human scum of illegal surveillors, stalkers we are not associated with, Nazi German lowest class origin pogrom mob to become removed, an ephemeric plague they ugliest German though, nothing shall remain from them among future mankind, a free civilized world. We are free citizens in our rights. No slavery is. Man is born free. I never lost or forfeited this social status. The vulgars declaring I to be slave, domestic for rogues and their offspring, property of man will suppose die violently. I am neither corruptible. We own our own funds. Dignity, human and civil rights. Fight the uneducated atavists. Their illegal and vulgar associations are meaningless to the educated, meaningless to the highest authorities in state and on earth. They are not to decide anything on us. Destroy the Hitler Soviet Nazi scum. They are not permitted, not authorized, not competent. Not permitted, not authorized, not competent.